the teaching profession, it's a profession that leads to all other professions, right? I mean, if you want to be a doctor, guess what? You got to come through us. And that is so rewarding as you shape all of these things.
Why be an educator? Because it's the best field in the whole world. There is nothing better than knowing that you are changing someone's life, and you don't necessarily know it immediately. Sometimes you won't know it until years later when they come back to you and say, you know what, I still remember that lesson you taught me, or I still remember your class, or I just remember you. You were so important to me, but you are preparing them to be successful as adults when they move on, and not many people have the opportunity to do that.
So we are launching the UAB-JEFCOED Teacher Academy. It will be based at Centerpoint High School.
And that teaching academy will be targeted as a part of our Grow Your Own project.
Obviously, we have a teacher shortage. I don't think that there is any district in the state that would say we don't want more teachers. We need teachers to enter the field. And so while this is an opportunity for us to grow our own, we want to make sure that they get a unique experience.
With having that program here at Centerpoint High School, it's going to be great because we'll be able to develop future teachers and build a pipeline, not only for just Jefferson County, but for schools throughout the nation.
So for our students entering 9th and 10th grade, those students would be considered cadets, teacher cadets. And those students will have the opportunity to take courses from our career tech teacher education pathways to expose them to the education field. As students matriculate to 11th and 12th grade, that's where they transition from cadets to the actual academy. And they will be able to take dual enrollment courses at UAB's campus with other students that are in the education program at UAB. We will provide transportation. We will also provide funding, so we will be paying for all those courses.
If we do this thing right, we can get them almost 2 years while they're still in high school. When they finish the 12th grade, they can say, I have a high school diploma, and I have the credentials to become a paraprofessional. I can start working right after high school. And you better believe that Jefferson County schools will be right there to hire them.
You want to change lives? Be a teacher. The Teacher Cadet Program in the Teacher Academy is a real easy way to do it. It's a direct pipeline from high school right to UAB, and then even back to Jefferson County to be a teacher.